In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer support for PS5. This process is essential for resolving any issues you might encounter, whether they are related to your account, purchases, or hardware. So, let's get started. First, you need to open the PlayStation Support website. You can do this on your mobile device or your computer. Simply type in the URL https://www.playstation.com/support. When you navigate to this website, you will see a clean interface designed for easy access to support resources. This site serves as the main hub for all PlayStation-related inquiries. It's important to have this website handy as it contains valuable information that can help you resolve issues quickly and efficiently. Next, select the category that matches your issue. You will see options like account and security, purchases, games, and hardware and repairs. Choosing the right category is crucial because it directs you to the specific resources relevant to your problem. For example, if you are having trouble making a purchase or accessing your account, selecting account and security will lead you to the right troubleshooting steps. This step saves you time and helps ensure that you receive the correct assistance for your issue. Once you have selected a category, follow the troubleshooting steps provided. These steps are designed to guide you through common issues and solutions. You may encounter prompts that ask for specific information or suggest actions to take. This step is vital because many problems can be resolved with the right guidance. By carefully following these instructions, you can often find a solution without needing to contact support directly. If you still need help after following the troubleshooting steps, select Contact PlayStation Support when available. This option will appear if your issue requires further assistance. It is reassuring to know that there is a support team ready to help you with more complex problems. When you select this option, you will be directed to the various ways to get in touch with a support specialist. Next, follow the prompts to contact a support specialist. The options available may vary depending on your country and the specific issue you are facing. This could include live chat, email support, or even phone support. Each option has its advantages, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Connecting with a specialist can provide you with detailed answers and support tailored to your situation, ensuring you get the help you need. As a helpful tip, if you are dealing with PS5 hardware problems, be sure to use the Hardware and Repair section to troubleshoot your console or find repair and warranty options. This section is dedicated to hardware-related issues and can save you a lot of time and frustration. It often contains specific troubleshooting guides that can help you identify the problem quickly, allowing you to enjoy your gaming experience without long interruptions. Now, you have all the necessary steps to contact customer support for your PS5. Remember, the PlayStation Support website is your first stop for assistance. Following the right steps can lead you to a solution swiftly. Whether your issue is minor or requires more in-depth support, the resources available are designed to guide you through the process with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in resolving your issues with your PS5. Happy gaming!